We're going to make crystallised ginger. Get some fresh ginger, some sugar, some salt. Later on you'll need some water. That's all you need. Peel that ginger, chop it up into bite-sized pieces and pop the ginger into a saucepan. Cover it with just enough water to go over the top and heat it up. Bring it to a boil, let it simmer for at least 30 minutes. Drain off the liquid. You want to keep the liquid, some for later use, and some will make a lovely hot ginger tea. Alright, let's pop the ginger back in the saucepan. Add enough of the ginger juice to cover the bottom of the saucepan. Lots of sugar so that we can make a ginger syrup. That was the salt going in. And now we get the temperature up again, get it boiling, set it to simmer, let it go till it starts to change colour, become really nice and sticky and gooey. You'll know when it's right, don't let it burn, you'll have to start again. Beautiful. We need to take it off the heat, need to let it drain again, it's very sticky now. Save the syrup, absolutely delicious in your baking, maybe another cup of tea with it. Put the ginger out to dry and let it dry for about 3 hours. I know, for about 3 hours. And then we're going to coat it and cover it in another lot of sugar. It's very sticky. A little bit of finger licking can go on, and there's no reason not to pop the odd piece of ginger in to your mouth as you go along. Once you've coated it in sugar though, we need to leave it. I had to leave it for 24 hours so it dries. Overnight might do you depending on conditions. Once it's dried, pop it in an airtight container and it will last for weeks. Well, unless you eat it all, of course. Beautiful, thank you.